Hello everyone, Chris Campbell here in the clock shop with our part 2 of the Mickey Mouse watch service and hopefully repair. So I've already gone ahead and taken the movement out of the case. That is a beautiful movement. And that is the back. Okay, I'll let you see the dial up close. That's just a gorgeous movement. All right. We've also examined the stem and crown. They are in perfect shape, and it also has the original O-ring right here to keep water from getting inside to the movement. All right. Now, as far as the case, what we're going to do is just try to see if we can clean it up a little. Because it does have a lot of dirt, it looks like. And then I'm going to work on the inside on the actual crystal. It's got years of dirt, dust. Okay. Yeah, a lot of it's coming off. All right. So the next step that I'm going to do now is go ahead and give it a quick polish on my buffing machine and see if that helps shine up the movement or the case, and I'll be back. So stay tuned. All right, so we're back. So about 20 minutes in the ultrasonic cleaner, quick little buffing on the buffing wheel, and now this thing is shiny. That is almost going to be as brand new. Beautiful piece. All right, so the next step is we're going to go ahead and put our movement back in place. And so we'll just drop the movement and get everything lined back up. All right. Perfect. All right. So with that, we got a new battery. So I'm going to peel it off. And let's see if we can get it to work. Perfect. It is ticking beautifully. All right, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and put our back plate in place. This protects it from getting jarred. And our back cover. All right. Whoop, I must not be lined up here. Alrighty. And these are some very tiny little screws. So now I'm going to go ahead and tighten these down. So a neat thing about this particular watch movement that I was doing some research on is when it does play It's a Small World theme, the second hand actually dances across the dial while it plays the melody. It goes back and forth to the beat of the song, which is kind of cool. And so the next step is to get a original authentic leather band for this watch, and we will definitely have a vintage showpiece worth displaying. But that just turned out beautifully. That is so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and set the time. It is 7 o'clock. That's 6 and 7. Now we're going to do the chime sequence. And you can see the second hand as it's chiming. And then the second hand goes back to the original thing. That is so cool. This is definitely a bargain treasure find that I found. So you cannot beat that. $2, and this is a $200 watch easy. It's in great condition. I'm going to get the new band, and I've got the lug pins for the band, and so we will have this as a collectible item. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the Mickey Mouse watch service and examination of it. If you have any antiques, vintage watches, or clocks that you need repaired, come see me at Campbell's Antique Clock and Watch Repair. Have a wonderful evening.